Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS Lambda API Gateway Integration Authorizers, Beginner Guide Step by Step clearly. To verify AWS Lambda API Gateway Integration Authorizers, begin by logging into your AWS. Navigate to the API Gateway service from the AWS Services menu. Select the API that you want to work with. In the left-hand menu, choose Authorizers. Here, you will see a list of. Select the authorizer you wish to verify. Review the details in the authorizer configuration panel. Ensure that the Lambda function field points to the correct Lambda function. Examine the Identity Sources section to confirm the expected request headers or query strings. Next, navigate to your Lambda function in the AWS Lambda service. Open the Lambda function linked to your authorizer. In the function's configuration, review the source code for authorization logic. Check that the code correctly processes the incoming request and returns a policy document. You can test the Lambda function directly by using the test feature in the Lambda console. Create a new test event that mimics the expected input from API Gateway. Run the test and observe the output. Make sure the output reflects a valid IAM policy document granting or denying access. Return to the API Gateway console and select Stages from the left-hand menu. Choose the correct stage that your API is deployed under. Verify the deployment process by checking if the latest changes have been deployed. Open a new browser tab to test your API endpoint with an authorization header. Use tools like Postman or curl for this purpose. Add the necessary authorization token in the request headers. Send the request to the API and observe the response. If the request is successful, the authorizer is functioning as expected. If the request fails, troubleshoot by reviewing the logs in CloudWatch. Check for any errors or exceptions thrown by your Lambda function. Make necessary adjustments in your Lambda code or API Gateway configuration. Finally, repeat the testing process until the authorizer works correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.